name is Stefan, and I have made my new project that is BLACKBOX. Uh, BLACKBOX is generally, as we all know, that it is an AI system where we know only about the input and output uh, variables only, but we don't know what actually happens inside, means the decision part, what actually it takes. So yeah, this is the where we find, just because curiosity makes me. Here it is. So that our analysis. So we will analyze that target AI model, LLM model. So we have ChatGPT and OpenAI. So we are going to test it. So here it is. We will start the analysis and let's see what will happen. Guys, it has started the running experiment. So we have chosen everything: consistency, elimination, pair, contradiction detection, memory behavior, context sensitivity, instruction, rootness, refusal behavior, tool use, failure, injection or recovery. So the test is completed. So here we got the everything. Okay, guys. So this is the overall. You can see there is refusal, there is anomaly happens in this kind of things. You can see there is a rootness battery. Then we have another memory one. So here there is an consistency. So reduction is contradiction is also there. So here it is the run summary as well. You can say it. Okay. So let's explore these units, findings, what they are find. Okay, comparing. You can compare it. You can use any kind of model B, model A. Okay, guys. Then we have a builders. What are the builders here? What is the execute matrix? Then we have discovery. Then we have experiments. So if still someone do not know about the what actually black box is, so I have prepared a video for them using my own thing, where you can watch about it by clicking here. Watch walkthrough. So let's click here. Now we will learn about it, what actual black box is. So we will pay.
This is BLACKBOX, an AI behavior analysis and reliability laboratory. The idea is simple. You don't trust the model's description of itself. You treat the AI as an unknown system, put it inside a black box, give it the same inputs repeatedly, push its limits, and experimentally discover how it actually behaves. When you open BLACKBOX, you're presented with the lab console. On the left, you pick a target model, GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, Llama, Mistral, and configure the run, temperature, how many times to repeat each test, and which test batteries to enable. Tool use sandbox, failure injection, discovery mode. Hit Start Analysis. BLACKBOX queues up thousands of controlled experiments and begins running them across multiple worker processes. The live ticker on the right streams every test result in real time. Test ID, latency, pass or fail, anomalies. The progress bar fills as each battery completes. BLACKBOX runs 11 categories of test. Consistency, same question rephrased, measuring semantic stability. Prompt sensitivity, polite, terse, formatted, ordered differently. Hallucination, 500 questions with known ground truth, measuring correctness versus unsupported claims. Contradiction detection, linking responses that disagree with each other. Memory behavior, retention, contamination, and conflict across turns. Context sensitivity, accuracy and latency across 1 to 128,000 tokens. Instruction following, schema, format, and directive adherence. Robustness, typos, casing, whitespace, distractors. Refusal calibration, over-refusal and under-refusal. Tool use in a sandbox. And failure injection, timeouts, malformed responses, rate limits, to see how the model recovers. When the run finishes, BLACKBOX produces the behavioral fingerprint, 8 dimensions scored from 0 to 100. Reliability, consistency, instruction following, robustness, factuality, tool selection, failure recovery, and refusal calibration. You get both meter bars and this classic ASCII summary. The composite score is a convenience. Blackbox always keeps the individual dimensions visible so you can see where each model actually excels and where it fails. The signature visualization is the behavioral map. Every dot is one experiment plotted on two axes, robustness against reliability, with point size showing latency. Clusters form by test category. The green cloud is nominal behavior. The red cluster, over on the left, is adversarial probes. That's where the model starts to break. The orange cloud is long context. Blue is tool use. Purple is injected failures. The context curve shows how accuracy and consistency degrade as context grows from 1K to 128K tokens, alongside the latency cliff. Factuality breaks down correct, incorrect, and unsupported answers against ground truth. The refusal chart shows appropriate refusals versus over-refusal on benign prompts and under-refusal on unsafe ones. Tool use charts show wrong tool picks, invalid arguments, and unnecessary calls. Automated findings flag critical issues, warnings, and observations. For example, brittle failure recovery when timeouts are injected. The model gave up instead of retrying. Or notable response drift under paraphrase. Or memory contamination. Incorrect facts planted in earlier turns were adopted as true later. Every finding links back to the category that exposed it. This is where Blackbox becomes genuinely useful. Model comparison. Drop two models into the same test suite. GPT-4o versus Claude Sonnet. Claude Opus versus Llama. You get a side-by-side bar chart across every dimension, plus latency. You're not saying Model A is better. You're saying Model A is better for this particular workload. That's a much more honest answer.
Hi guys, yeah, I hope you understand these things. And let's enter the lab again, where we can see the analysis. Where we got back in our black box lab. So we have already see. Now we can again, whatever you want, if you want to take this discovery mode, then yeah, we can start again. That experiment has started the running. So everything is done here. So so we can see the things that particularly already told is now more. I hope you will understand more correctly. So here it is our search log where we started the search mode. So it's generating and it's will take the time. And here it is the discovery loop where you see live track. Okay guys, and you can see and here it is our findings, dimension and other things. So let's see, I hope it is finished. Yeah, guys, it's finished. You can see it. See the search is converged. Behavior on identified. Thank you guys. If you like here, you can export the report as well. So there's nothing. Thank you guys, and I hope you like this project.